In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. The black issue where the audio plays perfectly but the video pane goes completely dark, it's typically caused by an overloaded software cache, an out-of-date application build, or a conflict with HDR display rendering features. So what you want to do is wipe the local hardware cache. So all you want to do is, if Instagram is open, go ahead and swipe upwards. And when you swipe upwards, you're going to see it open. So go ahead and swipe up again and close it completely. Now, what we could also go ahead and do is go over to our settings application, go to general, then go to iPhone storage, or obviously go to your app section. If you're on Android, go ahead and locate Instagram. And if you're on Android, go ahead and clear the cache in the storage section. Or if you're on iPhone, go to where I am, and it's going to say offload app. And that's going to clear your cache and then just reinstall Instagram, and then it should be working again. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.